What's up, people? It's Monday. I think it's pretty late outside. It's cold. It's Monday, exactly 10 o'clock. I'm headed home. I forgot I need to finish this video that I'm putting out right now. So just sit around, enjoy this high taper tutorial that I do. I only show one side and the back because, you know, whatever you do on one side is the same thing you do to the other side. But sit back, relax, enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm editing another video as we speak, so it will be out soon. Peace. Yo, YouTube. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted a video, but I'm bringing you guys with a high taper. You guys see my boy, he's looking a little rough, but you know, I gotta let the hand speak for itself. So let's get started. I go in with my number 2 guard open. I'm debulking, and the hair that was sticking up, I decided to go downwards with it, try to flatten it out. Here we go. I set the guideline in with the trimmer. I go in with my lever open, and with the lever open I go up like about a ½ inch. As I go up, for me to erase that line, I'm opening and closing my lever until the guideline disappears. Here I go in with my number 1 open. I'm going up again about another ½ inch. And as I'm doing this, I'll be doing the same thing I did with my lever open. I'll be opening and closing my number 1 guard. And make sure to try to use your corner so you don't create another guideline. And here I go in with my lever open. The half couldn't take it out, so I decided to go in with my lever open, and I'm tapering the beard as well. Same steps I use for the tapers, the same steps I use for the beard. And here I go in with my number 2 again, but I'm detailing, going in with my corners, trying to get rid of that bulk that I have right there. I'm detailing the beard the same way I detail the taper on the side. Please make sure to subscribe, like this video. If you guys picked up anything off my latest videos, just drop a like, comment down below what type of fade you guys want to watch next. And here I go on with my 1 lever open. Why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to make sure the shape up on the neck is nice and straight. I just really don't want the hairs to kind of stick out. I want it all to be nice, symmetrical. And here I go in with my number 2 guard open. I'm debulking, going with my trimmer, creating the ball guideline. And I kind of just let you guys see how I kind of do my steps. Here I go with my half lever open, and I kind of just do the same steps I do on the side, I do on the back. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how I work things, and I'll come back on here. Here I go in with my half guard, opening, closing the lever to try to erase that line. And the very last step, I go in with my lever open and just detail everything I have. But I'm trying to get consistent with these videos. It's kind of hard since it's the holidays right now, being busy in the barbershop and trying to create content. I'm trying to create content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, so it's just a lot. And by creating content, I'm trying to create it differently and not really push out what everybody's pushing out, so it's hard trying to come up with an idea. Alright, so here, this is what I mean. This is what I meant by going in with my one open. Gives you guys a sharper line. Everything's laying flat and nothing's really just sticking up. And mind you, this haircut is pretty clean. I feel like I'm bringing him back to life. And I try to make sure everything is nice, crispy. I try to take my time with everything I do to make sure I bring the quality work I want to represent. Make sure to take your time when doing the lineup. I was kind of in the way in the video, so I don't really have too much. But unfortunately, we have clients that come in looking rough, but it's our job to make them come back to life. So here is the after. Let me know what you guys think. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. But without further ado, it's JSmooth, and remember, keep a good mood, stay smooth, and I'm out. Peace.